Here's how to add Apple Pay to your Shopify store. First, log into your Shopify store admin panel. Next, in the left-hand menu, click on Settings. From the Settings menu, click on Payments. Under the Payment Provider section, look for Apple Pay in the Supported Payment Methods. If you can't find Apple Pay listed there, continue to the next step. If Apple Pay isn't listed, scroll to the Third-Party Payment Provider section. You can search for Apple Pay or scroll through the list of supported providers. Select a payment provider that supports Apple Pay, such as Stripe, First Data Payeezy, CyberSource, or Ignite Payments. For example, if you choose Stripe, click on it, and then you'll be prompted to log in to your Stripe account. If you don't have a Stripe account, you can create one. Once logged into your payment provider, like Stripe, follow the instructions to connect it to your Shopify store. After connecting, Apple Pay will be activated as a payment option for your store. Finally, test the checkout process to ensure that Apple Pay appears as a payment option and works correctly.